your Google Maps giving directions, but you can't hear anything through CarPlay? That's a surprisingly common problem, but don't worry, because in today's video, I'll show you how to fix muted Google Maps voice navigation. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your iPhone, tap on Settings. Tap on Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and connected to your car's audio system, because that is what connects your iPhone to your car's audio system to be able to use CarPlay. Then, go to your Google Maps. Tap on the profile icon on the top right. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Tap on Navigation. Under Sound and Voice Guidance Audio, tap on Unmute. Then scroll down and make sure the options are toggled on for Play Voice over Bluetooth and Play as Bluetooth phone call. Once you have these settings turned on correctly, you should be able to fix this problem. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.